are done on this report. So that's nothing but we are counting the records. Okay, counting the values, or count means if you select one field, it's count. Okay, so select one here. See, I pulled it down here so that I can have space. Now if you bring it here, these two are we don't just leave that here. Select this, anyone, since names easy to count, right? Or anyone you can pick, because in all there is a value. So but name, you always find a value there, right? So here you see, just take this one, select it, and come to the design here, design, and here you see totals and count records. Okay, you will get like this here. So this is just a function, but we want to see the value counting of it, right? Just save it and come here to the layout, and let me check down what is the value. Yeah, here I got, see, 41. This is 41 records. There are 41 records, right? Okay, so I will format this one bit here, back to design view, select, and we can just go for some formatting here, home tab, and increase the size of it, and I will also use the color to it. Okay, done. Save. And what else we have to do is has a label total bookings. Okay, copy this from your keyboard or here. We will place this where, to the left of this value. Okay, to this value we have to put it in the left. So go to design again, here this is called label, and put it here. Okay, and paste the value there. Okay, and adjust it as if it is close to this one, and I'll format this again. I'll increase the size of it, and also the color. If I want, I can just change it, and also I'll put 2 dots to show the column there. Okay, just save, and let me just check how it's seen here. Look at the bookings and 41 records here. Because it is closed, the enough space is not there to show. Yeah, look at this. If you want, you can just adjust it close to it. Yeah, save it, and back to the question. Displays only your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer, so it appears in the same position on every page. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. Okay, so in the sense where they want it here in the footer means this area in the same line to this, that's a footer. Okay, so where we'll place it is, go to the design view here in the same place. This is actually the footer. See, page footer, can you see that? Yeah, so here we will place one label in the middle exactly, and you can give your details, center number and candidate number. Fine, and you can format this how you want it. I'll increase to 14, some color, or even you can have a different font. It's up to you what you take. Yeah, save, and let's see in the layout. Look at that, this is the photo. If you want, you can adjust it like this to be in the center. Perfect. Okay, and you will go for this printing, right? Save and print your report. Okay, so what you will do to print the report, go to the view and report view or the print view, fine. See, this is what you will get it printed. There are two. Yeah, this is second page where we have the total bookings, and this is the first one. So two will be printed for you. Okay, done. After this, let's go for take a screenshot evidence showing the database formula used to calculate the total number of bookings and place this in your evidence document. That is evidence 6. Okay, let's take that. We have to go to, for that, where we have to go, close this print view and go to the design. Here we have to take the screenshot, this one. Okay, so now go to the snipping tool and take this, copy, come to the evidence as evidence 6 here. Yeah, this is evidence 6, and you can just show, highlight it if you want. Okay, else you can even go for this one, insert any the check box you can take and come here down. Where is that? Yep, here. Put there, and then shape fill, no fill, and change the color to something. Increase the width of the line. You can decrease it as well. This is our calculation. Save it and minimize it. Let's go for now for the step. Using fields from both tables, produce labels which got some criteria, and this are the steps for creating the label. But first of all, we have to go here. We need the list of the fields to be used in the label, right? And as usual, we have to go for creating what? The query. So we will create the query using these fields. How many are there? See, I wrote here as number 1 step you have to follow, and after the number 2 here we have to set the criteria, then ascending, descending, sorting it, and then we have to go for the label. So here this is set of fields I have to use for the query. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total number of fields are 9, and I have to pick from both the tables, right? Okay, come here. Now let's go for create query wizard and simple query. Here I have to pick individually the fields. See, don't go for the order of the fields here, because we are going to set them as per the label order. Okay, so just pick what you get there. Title, first name, last name is there. Okay, title, first name, last name. Then postcode is there. Postcode, yep. Then what else? Days, yep, there is days. And depart date is there. Yeah. And what else? Anything more? Not there. Okay, now here other table, yacht name is there, and depart port, yep, and depart country as well as there, and yeah, Yep, done. How many are there? Just let me count one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Perfect. Okay, next. And here let it be detail. Next. And here I'm just giving the query to modify and finish. This is the query. Now what more we have to check? Number 2, this is the criteria. Set the records where days is 28 and the part country does not include Croatia. They don't want the Croatian staff from their country, Norway, and only 28 days they want to show in the label. Now come here. Here if you see, let me show you how many records are coming up in this query. See, 980 records. Now let's reduce it by the criteria here. Days come here in the criteria section. Here days equal to 28. Okay, save and run it. Here you see here only 28 records where the days, and you see 26 records here. Now it will reduce further, but because they don't want this Croatia here, right? So we will remove this Croatia. Okay, back here, design, come to the country here. They don't want Croatia, so we have to type in there not Croatia, right? You can just copy paste that name. Yeah. Here capitals, small. Do you want to check how it's going to work? Yeah, it's gone. There's no difference, capitals or small letters. You see there? Now only 8 records. Only 8 we are going to work with in the label. Save and back here. Oh, sort in ascending order of last name. Okay, let's do that as well. Go to the design, last name. This is the last name, and if you see here sort, can you see the sort row, and they're ascending. Save and run it to see all of them in ascending. F, G, G, M. Save again. Now using this selection, produce labels which are arranged in 2 columns and 4 rows with 8 labels to the page in portrait orientation. For example, each label size is this. You have to go and pick from that long list, and displays all records as per this one. Okay, now save this one more time and close it. Let's go for create and labels. So here you see this is the size we have to use to number across 2 columns is 2 here, and this is the size dimensions of the page. And next here, if you want to change the sizes and any font name, that's up to you. Here is the one we have arranged on the label. First, what is that one? Yacht name. Okay, where is yacht name? Okay, send it. Now press enter. In the second line we have 3 in the order. Go to the top. This is the first one. Give a space. Next again space, last. Okay, next. Postcode. Where is the postcode here? We didn't get the postcode. Yeah, postcode is here. Postcode is here. Okay, first yacht name there. title space first name space last name, come to the next line, postcode, next depart port, I guess we have to use a space there. Okay, give it space, depart country, come to the next line, a depart date, again enter days. Okay, and we have to give our details as well at the bottom here. Just write your details. Yeah, next. And do we have any sorting stuff here? Modify the format of the yacht name field. That's it. There's no sorting from here by which field or anything. Okay, fine, let's continue. Label query to, yes, modify, done. This is the label. Save once, and if you want to see how it's going to be in the report, just check in print preview. Look at that, how many there are, 18 across two, like in 2 columns. Yeah, but we have to arrange and format them. Okay, now let's go back, close this, go back to the design. Okay, we are here. What else they want from us? This is done. Modify the format of the yacht name, that to be center aligned, displayed in a bold larger font, and save and print your labels. And this is printing this too. Okay, here they said something more like your name to be there at the bottom, left align. Yep, we have to left align it. Here this is left align, that's good. You can put it down a bit to show difference, and here is a bigger font they want. Okay, here what we can do, select them and pull it down so that we'll have some space for that, all of them together. And then here increase the size of it, and then go to the home tab, increase to something bigger, and also in center, right? They want it in the center. Here this is the center, and the color, it's up to us, and bold. Yeah, save it, and just let's see how it is seen. If you want your details to be better, you can do that. Yeah, I will just want to make it this one bold. Yep. So let me just check in print preview. Look at that, it's all center aligned, and you can just move them a little bit this side from the left hand. Yes, here you say you can select all of them like this, and you can move them like this. Yeah, save and print preview. Yes, you can see that it's better now. Okay, after this, oh,